few years I have seen this kind of snow, big snow here in Canada, Toronto. Yeah. I don't know when they will clear it. It's a huge, but at least the temperature is not too low. It's around -2, -3. That is good thing. We can walk and we can go out. But when the wind chill will blow, there will be a very hard to come out from our homes and workplaces. So people, guys, you can see my bus is coming. I am waiting for that to go my office. So let me get in the bus. Oh my God. Thank you, sir. So I am here, the bus.
Next stop, 49 Thorncliffe Park Drive.
I cannot tell you how much it will snow by centimeter or millimeters, but it is too much. It's not a normal snow.
Next stop, 75 Thorncliffe Park Drive.
Thanks, Chris. Hello, Laura. What is going on?